today I wanted to show you one of the most exciting cybersecurity projects that I have done. So this is my laptop, and here is the Raspberry Pi connected to my home router. Now I'll show you how I can crack the password of this phone through the Raspberry Pi and my laptop. So to show that it's real, I'm going to take a book and choose a random common word. There are some limitations to this attack which I'll mention at the end. So for example, let's go with the word understanding. So in my phone, I'm currently keeping this as the password. Okay, now I have set the password in my current phone hotspot. This is the software that I made using Cloud Code. Now I'm gonna scan here. So what it does is, it is giving the command to the Raspberry Pi to scan for nearest hotspots. It's scanning my current hotspot. This is the one that I'm using. Now I click start capture. Okay, so what I have to do is, in another device I just have to connect this to this phone which is being recorded, but the laptop doesn't know what the password is. Let's see if he's able to capture here. So we can see these are the Wi-Fi packets being captured. So as we get this equal pair as 1, we are golden and we can move to the next step of cracking. To try this reconnections 2 or 3 times, then it works. So I have reconnected it. So now we can see that the handshake is captured here. So now it's using a dictionary attack and trying all these different passwords here now. So what I'm doing is, I'm using a ready-made dictionary, a list of words called RockU, which is the most famous one in cybersecurity. This is the time elapsed. These are the number of passwords it has tried till now, and these are the total ones. Somewhere in the middle, hopefully when we hit the current password, it's gonna crack it and it will show it here. As you can see, the software was able to find the password, which is understanding. So this is quite exciting for me. This was my dream since a very long time, and finally using Cloud Code I was able to do this.